We're going to go over the fill feature, specifically the push on from the side fill location on the machine. So you can see here we've got our load command station. It looks a little different from it has in the past. We've added the 20 button keypad here, but we're going to use a couple of these features here when we're using the push on type loading situation. In order to do that, we're gonna obviously have to hook up our nursing tank, right? So get your hose, your fittings, and get her hooked up. Right. Once you get your nursing hose hooked up, we can go ahead and open up our isolation valve down here at the bottom. And so in order to do the push on, we have to push a button here on the keypad here. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and find button number 7 for tank number 1. If we're gonna be filling solution tank 1, we can go ahead and push this button right here. And then we've got another option on the display when it comes up. We can either do a target push on or just push on from the nurse. And we can go ahead and just do your normal push on here. And that's gonna open up our isolation valves in our tank. And now we can go ahead and open up our supply line, fire up your nurse pump, and start filling it. It should increment up the more water that you end up putting into that tank, right? So you can notice that right now it's at 11 gallons, and that will start counting up as we fill this solution tank. So it's critical to remember to turn off your nurse pump on your nursing station before you close the fill valves on the sprayer. So go ahead and turn the nurse pump off and then close your valves and you're good to go. So now let's talk about how to push on solution into tank number 2 on this machine here. So we're gonna have our nursing pump still hooked up, right? So we got our tank and our fill station hooked up to our sprayer on the side port here, the main 3-inch fill valve. And we're gonna go ahead and push the button on the keypad. That's our push on right here for tank system 2. Would be the right set of buttons here. So push that button. And now on the mini display, we have to go ahead and select push on here. So we'll just do that. We're gonna open up our valves in the tank. And now we can go ahead and turn on our nurse pump and start filling your machine. As this machine's filling up, we can watch on the mini display, those gallons should increment up as we get that tank fuller, as well as your side view port on the tank as well. So